Hi there. In this video, we'll be talking about the Gridify feature. Gridify is a hidden feature of InDesign. I say hidden because it doesn't have a tool or even a menu item, so let's learn how to make use of it. I have this landscape blank document open here. Now I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, and let's also change the color of the rectangle to red from the toolbar above. Now I'm going to click, hold, and drag to make a large rectangle. And without releasing the mouse, hit the right arrow to divide the rectangle into two. Keep hitting right arrow and it shall keep splitting the rectangle. Similarly, hit the up arrow and it shall split the rectangles vertically as well, making it look like a grid. At this point, I can very easily go back to have just one large rectangle. And to do that, all I need to do is hit the left arrow 3 times to merge the rectangles horizontally, and then the down arrow 3 times to merge the rectangles vertically. So remember, right and up arrows split the rectangles, and down and left arrows put them back together. Let's delete this rectangle. Create another rectangle the same way and then hit the right and up arrow to split the rectangles, much like we did earlier. And don't release the mouse key yet. Now hold Command on a Mac or Control on a PC and then hit right arrow a few times, and you shall find that the vertical spaces between the rectangles are increasing. Similarly, using the Command or Control key, hit the up arrow and the horizontal spaces will increase. Let's delete the shapes once again. Let's drag to make another rectangle, and using the same way, split them horizontally as well as vertically, and then release the mouse key. Now grab the gap tool from the toolbar on the left, take it to one of the spaces, click and drag, and you shall find it expanding the whole column of rectangles. So if you take it to the right, the column on the right shrinks while the left column expands. Dragging the tool to the left would do just the opposite. If you hold Command on a Mac or Control on a PC and then click and drag, it shall expand the space in between when you drag it to the right, and contracts the space when you drag it to the left. If you hold Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC and then click and drag, it locks the two columns of rectangles as if they are one, and then moves them as a single entity either to the right or the left depending upon where you move them. Holding Shift and moving them will yield the same result as holding Command or Control. You can use these commands vertically as well, as illustrated. Let's delete them now. Let's pick the line tool and holding Shift, draw a straight line. Now hold Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC and then click and drag to make another copy of this line. While the copy is being made, don't release the mouse key yet. Hit either the right arrow or up arrow key to increase the number of lines. Unlike the rectangles, up arrow won't split the lines further. You can always use the Command, Option, or Shift keys on a Mac or Control, Alt, or Shift keys on a PC to see how the lines react to them. They yield pretty much the same result as with the rectangles. Let's delete the lines now and pick the Type tool and make a large text box and hit the right arrow to split the text boxes into several pieces. Now split them further using the up arrow and then release the mouse key. You see, the best part about these different text boxes is that they are linked. So if I go to the first one here and click to Type, and then right click and select Fill with Placeholder Text, all the text boxes get filled altogether. Of course, if you want to use the gap tool with the text boxes along with the keys we discussed, it will all yield similar results as illustrated. Let's delete the text boxes as well. And finally, let's go to File and then Place, and locate 6 images on the computer and hit Open. Once the cursor is loaded with images, you can decide which one should be the first one to be dropped onto the page by using the right arrow. You'll find it shuffling the images as you click. Once you've fixed your mind on the first image, click and drag to make a large selection, and then click the right arrow twice to split the rectangle into 3, and then up arrow once to split the rectangles further into 6, and then release the mouse. You shall find all the 6 images placed perfectly into their frames. If you want to reduce the spaces on top and bottom of the images, have all the images selected and then right click on any of the images and then go to Fitting and then Fit Frame to Content. and your frames will contract themselves to the size of the images. So guys, that's the Gridify feature of InDesign to make your life easy and efficient. Alright guys, that concludes our session today. I hope you've enjoyed it and have learned something new from it. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet again, goodbye and thanks for watching.